Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to replace a ripped axle boot on your 2000 Honda Civic. The tools that I will be using that you will need is this special tool. I got it from Amazon. Will put a link in the description below. And I also bought two different kits from Amazon. I'm not sure the size of the axle boot, but I will leave the specific kit that I used to replace the axle boot. Another item you will need is one of these. You might have to buy this separately. They do sell some clamps that spread your axle boot. I recommend getting that because it is a lot easier to use that tool than doing it with this tool. But I will show you guys how to the way I'll do it with this tool. Now I'm going to start with taking this off. And then there's another clamp on the back here. Now to make things easier for myself, I'm gonna use a knife and just cut this in half and remove it. Okay, now that I cut this axle boot off, I just cut it in half. So once you took your axle boot off, I kind of got already started. Put your axle boot in here. You might have to add some grease just to make everything slide easier. Now you do have to be quick, because you can rip it, so that's no good. So make sure to add a lot of lube here and try to be quick with it, because then if you do it over and over and over, you will eventually end up ripping the boot. Luckily I do have one extra one, and hopefully I can get that one on before it rips. Okay. I managed to slip the boot in. Now my kit did come with two clamps. They're one-time use only, so make sure that's tight. And that should be it, guys. I'll catch you guys back in the next video. Thanks for watching. Now the one thing, just a fair warning, if you guys get this kit, it doesn't seem like it fits tight around this back or front part, whatever you want to call it. And also, if you buy this kit, Make sure to buy extra clamps, because the clamps that come with the kit don't fit exactly tight, I guess you could say. So just fair warning, if you get this kit, get extra clips. I would get this special tube for the clamp, and also the other tube that I'll put a picture up so you guys can see it. Pretty much grabs your boot and it opens it in a way you could slide it over this instead of pushing it with that plastic part. Anyways, I'll catch you guys back in the next video. Thanks.